happy Engineers Day. Today we are celebrating the 160th birthday of Shri Mukshaganda Vishvesharaya. And we are doing that by starting a video series of conversations over tea, Chai Pe Charcha, with eminent engineers. Today I have with me Mr. Rikunj Moradia, who is an engineer pass out from Nirma University and Advanced Construction Management from NICMAR Pune. Hello sir.
Hello Sumant, thank you for inviting me on Engineers Day, and it has been always pleasure to talk with you about the construction and technologies and the engineering field with you always.
Thank you. Thanks for being with us and thanks for being the first. The theme this year is engineering for change. That's the theme of this Engineers Day. Can you throw some light on how you see that?
See, as I always believed in, the change is the constant phenomena, right? And especially if I would see in the construction perspective and narrowing down my myopic view of the local construction industry, I would see that before 10 years, the way we were using designing process was done, the materials which has been used, the construction processes we were using, and now we see the designs and the construction processes and construction materials are vastly different. Like, we haven't been thought of using various type of construction cladding materials which were not there during that 10 years, and right now we are using abundantly. So in that scenario, it's a lot of change we are seeing.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
So materials has improved. Even would you like to throw some light on some of the engineering marvels that has happened in the last few times?
Yes, of course. I mean, I was going to come up on the same thing, like look at the SDB,
Surat Diamond Boards, yeah.
Right? And the Statue of Unity. So those are the construction marvels, right? Right now, which hasn't been, we have thought of that before 10 years, we will be doing this type of projects in even Surat or South Gujarat.
Absolutely.
And right now we are building marvels.
So for the wider audience, the two projects that Mr. Rikunj highlighted, Statue of Unity is the world's largest statue, which is around 100 kilometers away from Surat, the city where we live. And SDB, as the full form goes, Surat Diamond Boards, is the world's largest commercial building. And that's around just 4 kilometers from where we are sitting right now, in the city of Surat. And truly said, sir, I don't think we would have imagined this 10 years back happening. Now, would you, if you had to kind of finger point or put your finger on any 2 or 3 main technological developments that you have experienced or witnessed, what would those be?
I would definitely see that in terms of construction practice, we have seen the precast projects,
methods, yeah,
right, which
absolutely.
is actually helping to fast construction processes. In terms of technological level, the building information modeling systems right now, which has been global industrial practices right
BIM.
now, BIM, and this type of technology is actually we are being helpful for the complex structures to visualize in such a way that it can become very easy.
Great.
And then the technology like as you are also the
cloud computing
and SaaS based technologies which are useful for monitoring and assuring the quality control and quality assurance.
I truly appreciate you bringing DigiQC into the discussion. But yes, I completely agree. Precast has been one of the biggest physical changes. I am surprised you didn't mention the 3D printing technology.
Yes.
I think that's also coming up. The next 10 years probably we'll talk more about that.
And so many more things. Probably in next 10 years we will see so many changes. Yeah.
And I think one of the favorite sayings I have heard is the speed of change itself is changing. It's becoming faster.
Yes, exponentially.
So I really appreciate you sharing your thoughts with us. I know it's a short clip, but for advantage of viewers at large, this is a small taster for better things to come. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Happy Engineers Day once again.